Hey guys, welcome back to this week's video. I've been a little bit busy, more than a little bit. I've been really busy, which is why I haven't uploaded in a month. But I figured I'd make this quick update video explaining a few things that I've been working on and that I've been doing. So the main thing I want to talk about is I made a video about a month ago saying that was titled Help in Poland. And I've decided to go to Poland this summer with a couple of friends who also happen to be classmates. And I'm not going to say when I will be there or where I'll be at. Of course, I'll have videos on YouTube, but for my own personal safety and for their safety, I'm not going to, of course, share that information until I'm out of the country. That's how it's going to go for all the countries that I go to and all the places I go to. I won't be uploading videos until I am out of the country, just for my own personal safety. So I believe the world is a safe place, but there are still people who are dangerous and who will try to hurt you or get ransom money or whatever the case may be. So I will not upload videos until I'm out of the country. So my videos will be a little bit delayed, but I will still have videos out this summer. And I plan on going to a lot of places. I'm not going to say where, but I will give you one hint. I've already told you I'm going to go to Poland, but I'm also going to go to Egypt. So I'm not going to say when I will be in either of those countries, but I will be going to both of those countries, as well as several others. So stay tuned for videos. I just want to make this quick update video so that you guys know what is happening, because in 5 weeks from this video going up, I'll be on a plane heading to a country. So that's all I got for this video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram @TravelCaleb, and I will see you guys next week.